Right, so just another quick update about the stovepipe trap. Now, I might be doing a few more videos of these because I want to keep trying it to find out whether it definitely works or definitely doesn't. So what I done was I set my improvised stove trap up again, which is the plastic tube with the chicken wire over top of it, because I haven't got a stovepipe and I haven't got a pipe big enough, but I've got like a light piece of plastic which is about big enough and chicken wire. So I've put that down and reinforced it with chicken wire, pegged it to the floor. And right, just so you know the dimensions, I measured it this time. So lengthwise, my one is about just over 2 foot long, and the opening, the diameter of it, is 7.5 inches. So what I did, I set it out and I pegged it down, and I put bait going all the way through with a big pile at one end, but bits of bait going all the way along, out the door and outside. Well, the door, but out the opening and outside. From a distance I could see pheasants all around it, so I kind of left it. A bit of a weird one, I was having to contend with a cat again, and I saw this cat trying to stalk up towards the trap where there was pheasants all around it. So I kind of went running over there to stop the cat getting the pheasants. And when I got there, the pheasants all ran off, and so did the cat. And I had a good look at the bait, and I think they'd been halfway into the pipe, but not all the way in. I'll show you a picture now of how it looked when I went to check it. So as you can see, halfway along it's been eaten, but I had actually put that all the way along and outside, like in a trail going all the way along. So I think they'd either stuck their head in as far as they could, or maybe had gone in part way, pecked some and then came back out again. So all I can do is try it again and see if it works. Can't promise, I don't know. I've never seen a picture of this working, or a photograph of a pheasant stuck in a stovepipe trap ever. I've never seen a video of it either. There may be some out there, and if anyone knows of any, let me know. I would love to see this really working, because it's one of them you kind of never know. I'd love to know if it did work though. So I'll keep trying. I'll try again. I ain't going to try forever, but I'll try a few more times. I think 7.5 inches is big enough for a female pheasant. Maybe not for a great big male pheasant, I'm not sure. But I think they'd gone halfway in there when I looked at that, because that bait was going all the way through. Right, anyway, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.